Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes. I want to see a great smile on everyone's faces. Yes, thumbs up with smile. We always start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. Right? Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Yes, show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with smile. Yes, and hopefully you all would be ready for this best out of waste craft today. This beautiful craft we all will be learning together. And many times in your school, you are supposed to draw, make something in your projects. Best out of waste project, you're supposed to um, make something out of waste material. So definitely this artwork is going to support you for that. Okay. So are you ready with this kind of eco brick? Why we call it eco brick? This is eco brick because this is as strong as brick is, but it is made with waste plastic. And here, like we are going to paint the bottle, but if you're using this kind of discarded gift paper, we open gift, so we find this kind of colorful gift paper. If you fill this inside, so you will find a beautiful texture. So in that case, because we are going to make a girl, we are going to make a girl with this bottle. So in that case, if you will not color this, so this pattern will keep reflecting. Okay, so I have this old bottle also, which is already painted. This also we will show, or yes. And we want magic clay and this kind of in Rakhi or many times this kind of decorative stuff you have. So if you have this kind of stuff available, you can use. And if you don't have, not to worry because it's not compulsory. If you have, you can use, this kind of things, this kind of beads you have, you can use it. So here, this clear view of this and this gift paper, don't throw out because these are non-biodegradable. So when you open your gifts, you can fill them in bottle. So your bottle happen. You will find very shiny and colorful texture. Okay, chalo. So this is all about our today's material. Okay, this is magic clay, and many times you don't have color available. Suppose many times your colors get over. And suppose I want to make hair with brown color. But if I want to give the touch of black, so what you can do, you can even paint it. So magic clay you will use. And with magic clay, you find many of the tools, some tools to give shapes and all. So those tools today you can use for um, one more thing. What is that? I will show you. So hopefully you all would be ready. Can I check your bottle? It is ready, eco brick. When you fill this all inside, it will become heavy. It will not fall down. Otherwise, what will happen? Your bottle will keep falling down and your whole structure can destroy. That's why I told you to fill waste plastic. But if you don't have, you skip that part, it's okay. Today you do an empty bottle. But next time, whenever you will be making, you will fill something inside. Okay? Well, it will make your bottle heavy and see so many waste. Can you see? Tiny wrappers of biscuits and medicine, earbud, everything is there inside. You can see, and so many bottles like plastic we reuse to add weight. So it will, and see, this bottle is ready. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So ready? Shall we start with a bright smile? Yes? Show me a bright smile on your face. Great, very good. So chalo, let's get started. Okay? So what you will do now, the very first thing, ready? Shall we start now? Yeah? Huh? Okay. So we don't want too many things. Few things only is we need. So chalo, come on, let's get started. So what I will do now, I will, this bottle is ready, okay? So the very first thing we need to do, we need to paint it. We will paint this bottle. And for painting this bottle, you can find out any of the color. I have lovely pink color, yellow color, green, any color you have available. But make sure on bottle, the painting will be done with acrylic color. If you will try your watercolors, it will not work. So the very first thing you need to do is acrylic colors. Okay. So chalo, without delay, we will start with the work. And this kind of tools, when you purchase magic clay, this kind of tools you get together. So this kind of tools you would be having. Do you have this kind of tools with this the clay box? This kind of tools are always available. Yes. So the very first step is painting our bottle. The first thing, we will paint our bottle and we will keep it on one side and we will start with the work. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So now select a color. You will select a beautiful color and you will start painting it. Okay. So today's story, and there is a story behind every artwork, is having a lovely story behind. Even today's artwork is having, craft is having a beautiful story. And I shared a video also with you in which I showed the material list and how to make this eco brick. Hopefully you all must have seen this. So I will be taking this pink color and a little of yellow we can take. And what you will do, you will take cotton. With cotton you will do this. Okay. So come on, take out cotton. And what you will do, you can take color in plate also and you will color this whole bottle nicely. Okay. So acrylic color, you can take a plate and in that plate, you will take your color. If you feel you want to do some other color, you can. And if you feel that somewhere little of this color, little of that color, this ways you want to use different colors, you can try different colors also. So here you can see I simply okay, and very dry color medium. No water, not even a single drop of water you will take. Okay. So I took this and after this little of yellow, if you feel you want to put little of yellow, the little of yellow also you can take, little of blue if you feel like you should take somewhere blue also, so you can. So I will put little of yellow also. Okay, and with cotton, we will use cotton for this. Okay, chalo. So let's get started with. And we have clays of pink, yellow, orange, these colors are available. What you will do, you will like take yellow and start putting little yellow this way with tap tap. Pink, take enough of pink and with tap tap technique you will do. And a nicely on yellow also you do. So somewhere little reflection of yellow, little of this. Now you can see this bottle is having a pattern and a kind of creases and all. So make sure your color should go deep within. And it should go deep within. If you want to add little of a white color in it, and you want to go with baby pink, you can. Any color of your choice, you can try. We have lovely colors. We could have tried those colors also. So if you feel that somewhere you want to use some other color, you can definitely try that. See, I have this beautiful color available. I will show you. Keep a waste cloth always ready. So if you feel that purple or blue color you want to add, you can. I will simply use pink and yellow, little touch of yellow, just to add little like tones of colors, and you will continue. Okay, and no water we will add. The very first step is we will paint the bottle and we will keep it on one side. Acrylic color will get dry quickly and it will not take much time. So quickly it will get dry, and by the time when we will be preparing for everything, it will be ready. It would be ready. So chalo, let's get started and nicely paint it. Any color you could try. Yellow, I will take little of yellow, little of pink. Come on, keep doing. And very carefully, with help of cotton, you will do. And after doing this, you will immediately wash your hands. You will go to wash basin and you will wash your hands. These are acrylic colors, so we are supposed to use it very carefully. Otherwise, what could happen? It could nicely and simply color this bottle beautifully. Salmon pink kind of color we are having now. And beautifully you will paint it. I have a beautiful violet color also, light violet. है ना? So if you feel that somewhere you want to give little touch up of that lower side, है ना, like in dress, little touch up of that, so I could try that also. I will show how. Okay. So in plate itself, I will keep. And one more color I have, it's a beautiful violet color. If you feel that little of violet color impact you want to have, you can add it little bit here, lower side, like little touch up of another color. Just the effort is this only, okay? So you can put little of touch up of this color, lower side, okay? So this is completely your choice, what ways you want to go ahead and do it, okay? So chalo, let's quickly add little of this color, lower side. And then on this dark color base, we will make some patterns with white or some other color for making it looking more colorful. Okay. So see, I simply add little of this color to make the gown little more colorful and beautiful. If you want to go with one single color, you can definitely go with one single color. Okay, so this is the way you will paint it nicely. And if your one coat is not enough, then you will take another coat also, but you will make it thickly, nicely colored. Okay, and any color of your choice, any color available. Many times, if you don't have many colors available, then you can go for one single color also, and you can go with it. Come on. And see, this is the way this is done. Okay, yeah. So this bottle I painted little colorful. Okay. And yes, I will keep and I will immediately wash my hands because if I will not wash my hands properly right now, so this acrylic color can spoil my clothes and all. So immediately you will. And see, some colors I applied randomly. If you want to put one single color, you can definitely go for one single color. Yes, so all of you go to your wash basin and wash your hands properly. Okay, in this ways, I completed the coloring of bottle. And any random colors you can take. Here, one more bottle I have. And you can see here, these are two colors, pink and teal blue color I used for this. है ना? So this ways you can use any of the color, and I simply painted it before. Yes, so what you will do now, and how to make eco brick, you will simply put like plastic and all inside. And this ways you will be making your eco brick. If you have this kind of gift papers and all, and many times you have lots of plastic, and so you can put it simply inside and you can make your eco brick. Okay. So we have this bottle also available. Yes. So all of you have done? Yes. I will start with my story. So this is a story of a girl and a boy, brother and sister, and their names are Rohan and Ayushi. Okay. So once, what happened with their parents? They were visiting somewhere, and it was Delhi. They were near Delhi somewhere, and what happened when they were going through a place? The driver of this like driver smiled and said, Ki, "Children, want to see man-made mountain?" So children were very much excited. Like men can do so many things. Men constructed such a such big buildings and all. So they thought that definitely human must have made mountain also. So he simply pointed out, look at that mountain. It was a huge mountain of almost 12 to 15 floor building, that much high, and in a very wide area. It was a huge mountain. Students, and this, while saying this, he was having very sarcastic smile over face. Your bottle is done, yeah? Okay, okay, okay. Continue. I'm waiting. I will continue my story. Okay, then we will come on clay. Okay, and if you don't have, suppose many time in many clay, black color is not available. So like this question reached to me that we purchase the complete set of kit, but black is not available. So how to solve this? I will show you. Okay, and these are some decorative stuff which I collected from like old decorative stuff, and I try to reuse things, and we will not purchase. And these are some tools you all must have got with your this. So what happened in our story? All of you do this, okay? So while saying this, he was having very sarcastic smile, but children were not able to understand that why driver bhaiya is smiling so sarcastically. And they were not able to understand. So when they saw a huge mountain, they felt that this huge mountain would be created by human to add on to the beauty of environment, or with some this kind of purpose. This time, like the windows were closed, out of excitement, they simply opened the windows. And the moment they opened the windows, the air was stinking and it was difficult to breathe even. And so they asked, mom and dad, they were also sitting in the same car. So they asked, what kind of mountain it is? It's sinking. So mother replied, this is man-made mountain. This is a mountain of garbage. This much garbage we create? They were surprised. Like, normally we think, like when we simply calculate our garbage, but we never think about that every house is creating garbage and where it is going. And we need to be responsible while creating our garbage. We need to understand where this garbage is going. And are we handling the garbage properly? This garbage is getting converted in heap of mountains, and we have multiple this kind of mountains created by human. All of you continue doing. Yeah, I will continue my story also. I can see your small, small hands are completely lost in painting your bottle. So 1 minute's pause I will take. All of you finish that. Okay, so here what happened then? In our story, they immediately shut the door, window, and they were like so much curious about knowing much more about these mountains. That how what is the solution of these mountains, and how what ways like such a great mountain has been created. They were really very much surprised to see that, and they wanted to know that what is the solution of it. है ना तो this was the and many questions rise in mind of them. So they both started asking with so many curious questions. They started asking that, Mom, like we create this kind of garbage every day, this much garbage. So mom said, yes, everyone is creating garbage without being responsible of taking the complete responsibility of it. We are least bothered about where the garbage is going. And we need to ask to ourselves that where this garbage is going. Who will take responsibility? We will have to come up to take the responsibility. And from here, the thought started coming. Such a huge mountain. Mama told that plastic, wet garbage, dry garbage, we simply mix and throw. So these children replied, but mom, you segregate garbage every day. And we hardly have any garbage in our dustbin. So mama said, yes, that's what every person need to do. They were segregating garbage and mama was teaching kids how to segregate garbage. They were having two dustbins in their kitchen. Have you done? Show me. Or do you want me to wait for a little more time? Yeah? Okay. So multiple colors. Here you can see I used two colors. My color is getting dry. Yeah, see? These colors, little more time is needed. Okay. So now this is almost this is. Okay? Bottle is ready. All of you have done. Now keep it on one side and we will start with the face and everything. We will start making face. Okay? Yeah. And so the here for making it, the very first thing, we will start creating shapes and choti and everything. So we will make shapes of it and then we will assemble everything. Okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So the very first thing you all will be doing is you will simply mix colors. Shall we start or do you want me to wait? Please show a thumb down if you want me to wait for you. Okay, I will wait. I will wait as many students are doing. Yes, do it quickly because it will take time to get dry also. है ना? And if you have any hair dryer, then it will be quick. Otherwise, acrylic color will not take much time to get dry. This is the best part of acrylic colors. You can apply two coats. Suppose you feel that this color is not looking good. So if you will apply one more color now, it will look great. It will not look bad. This is the best part of acrylic color. Okay. I have so many different decorative pieces. Some laces, some stones. And these were from some one statue of Ganesha. We simply took all this out. After Visarjan, it was floating on the surface. So this all could be used. We could make a crown with it. If you know, so many things we have, we can think about using it. Chalo. So all of you finish this. I will continue my story. So children asked that we are segregating garbage. Why other people are not doing this? So they said that we are not responsible of our garbage. We don't want to take responsibility of it. Yeah. Continue doing. Yes, students are messaging me. Please wait. I will wait for 1 minute so that you all could finish this much. Okay. 1 minute pause. Many times we have bottles which are beautifully colored, colorful bottle. In many packings we can get, we have bottles also, previous bottles which are beautifully colored. So all that could be used for that. Okay. So yes, this ways this one bottle is already there with which is colorful and which one we colored. Okay. And the moment you will keep it for drying, and on one side you can start preparing for face, because we want to convert this beautiful bottle in face. Okay, I can't keep it horizontally, or I will keep it this way so that you can see the color also. Okay, and two colors, like two bottles I have, one this and one this. So big bottle we will use so that you can clearly see how we are doing. So what happened in our story? These children, they started asking. So mom replied, suppose our apartment is having 100 houses. So 100 houses, at least 1 or 1.5 kg garbage they would be creating. And so it is equal to one big truck garbage they are creating every day. But this one truck garbage which one apartment is creating could be converted in zero. It means no garbage. If they will start using wet garbage for making compost, or they can even give to animal to eat, like fresh peels of fruits and vegetables could be given to your milkmen who can feed them to their animals, or they can be used for compost making. Paper, newspaper, all cartons, and this kind of glass bottle, plastic bottles could be given to a kabadi wala and a zang dealer. The zang dealer will sell and will give you money. You will get money for garbage. And simple thing you need to do, you need to manage for two dustbins. Very simple thing you need to do. Okay, chalo, to have you all done? Yes? Yes, so now we will move ahead. Okay, so now you keep your bottle on one side, and what you will do, this any of your tool, you can put it inside. You can put it inside. Okay, if you want to put it inside in center, you can, or we can make it with clay. So I think this would be a little challenging for you. So we will skip this part. We will simply keep it like this. Now we will start preparing the shapes. Okay, for preparing shapes, we will first make face. So for face, we need skin color. So what I will do, I will mix little of orange and lots of white for making skin color. Come on. And if you have proper skin color, peach color you have, so you can use that. Those who are having complete, yeah, I can see. Yes, yes. My menu, those who have complete set available, they would be having beautiful skin color. You can use that. So I will take little of orange and little of white, and I will prepare it and start preparing this kind of biodegradable eco bricks. With this, you can make a small flat stool to eat, to sit. You can keep your decorative stuff over. I will mix it, blend it nicely, and you will make it in this color. And nicely mix this color, and you will get this color. Chalo, come on, let's do it. And I will add lots of white because I want very soft color. So lots of white I will add. And yeah. So what if you don't have skin color available, those who are having complete set available, they can easily make it. But many of you would be having this kind of sets in which skin color is not properly available. In that case, you can mix this color. Nicely mix the color, and you will find now you can compare the difference. So I mixed all white color in it, and I simply created this color. And using this color, what I will do, I will create face. I will create face using this color. Okay? Yeah. And we will simply see, yeah, this is the face. Okay? And try to make this kind of ball out of it. This kind of. It is not a round ball. First make it round, and afterwards you will make it little flat. Just a minute, I will show you completely. That's why I kept and this plastic, where it will go? It will go in eco brick. Start making one more eco brick. Take a bottle and start putting each and every piece of plastic in one more bottle. And it will become like a eco brick, a brick like so if you in your garden or somewhere, you can use it. So see, this is going to be the shape. Okay, how much big it is now according to the size of your bottle. So if you are using your small bottle, yeah, it is dry. So yeah, for this also it's perfect. And if you're using your big bottle, then also it's perfect. So small bottle we are using, so for this it is absolutely perfect. Yeah, see this. Okay, so I made it, and without delay, I will take my brown color and I will make a choti. And how to make choti, this also we will learn now quickly. And we need to put it immediately, once before it get dry. So what I will do, I will take brown color, and if you don't want to make choti, then you can make open hair also. So I will open this brown color, I will mix it nicely, and what I will do, I will simply this way, and I make a choti. So you are going to make a choti like this, little pointed. You do one thing, you make it little pointed here, and this choti you will make little pointed. Okay, little pointed this way, so you can make it little flat. And this complete upper portion where we want to make face, you will go for this ways, and you will make a flat this kind of things. So these two things you will make for choti. Come on, do this. And if you want to make a big choti, you can. If you want to make salwar suit, you can take a piece of cloth and you can show salwar suit. Now here, Kashmiri, Japanese, Marwadi, any kind of outfit you will you will be able to make. I'm making simply a beautiful doll. So can you see these two shapes? One is to complete cover the hair. So this way the hair will be covered up. You will not come in front. You will simply keep it this ways. And the neck also. Now here you will make neck also. Okay. So in this you will take out little of clay from backside. Take out little clay if you feel that you don't have that much clay available. So simply take it out from backside, because backside I'm teaching you all the skills. Limited stuff you have, limited colors you have. And with that also, don't get disheartened and you will be able to do it. See, you will be making a long neck. Long neck you will be making. And those who are having like, those who have, you can do it pasting with either um, either Fevicol, and those who are having color very fresh, yeah, they will be able to do it with help of, or otherwise you can even take, and for its strength, you can take a piece of twig and you can simply connect it this ways, okay? And you will be making the neck little thin and long. So you can insert a stick also, okay? Yeah. So this is the way you will be making face. Face is going to be little flat. And this is the neck. And what I did, I simply put a stick to attach it. So you can either attach it or you can simply give a shape and you can go with it. Okay? Yes, come on. So this ways your face will be ready. And hair, how will the hair will go? You will make this side little flat and you simply keep it here and cover the whole till neck. Till neck you need to cover, so you will make it little more big. You will first see that how much big it is, and till neck. All of you see just once, then you can continue. It should come back side till neck. Till neck it should come. Okay? See like this. So here you will apply your hair upper side of it. Come on, do this. You will be doing it this ways. Okay, very nicely. Can you see? This should be the face. Many times students want to do it. I think little closer view will help you. And if I will go for little of closer view, which will help you understanding it better. So this is going to be this girl, like doll or girl, and simply make it this ways backside. And this is going to be the choti. So those who know how to make choti, they can actually make a choti. And here, if you want to give little curls and all, you can. This is a long neck. And here, this choti which I made with help of kind of V shape. And many of you don't know even how to make choti. So this kind of V shape, V or Y I shall call it, you will make for making it looking like a choti. Okay? With knife or any sharp tool, you can make it, which will simply, we will attach from backside, and which will slowly, like in a very flowy way, we will attach to it. Make it little pointed. These are going to be the choti. And if you don't have black color, you can use brown, or afterwards you can even paint it. Okay? Chalo, so let's complete it. And if you want to make a bun or something else, so yes, of course you can do that. Okay? Come on. Yes. Can you see? This is the way I kept it. And near neck, you can see this complete neck part I covered up. And I put a stick inside. Then the neck, the face is slightly outside, and our chin part, you can see our chin, it is little outside. And our neck is little behind. And I put one stick inside so that it can properly get stuck. Okay? Yes. Come on, do this much. and we will come on our next step. Okay, come on, do this. And this choti is ready. And one after another, we will start making this. And after this, if you feel you want to make your gown, or you want to make bow, you can add bows also with pink color, with some other color. So here, like bow with pink color will look great. So I will simply put some bows with this color. And here I make more skin color, little darker we can take, or we can even color it afterwards. Yes, so I will keep it quite simple. And yes, we are going to make very limited features over. And we are doing all this so that by the time our complete work could get ready. And those who have not filled the bottle nicely, they can simply put a cap and they can do it. And as my bottle was completely filled with it, I will simply start doing. Come on, do this. And other preparations also we will do. So here we want to show the dress with pink color. We could try even yellow. So pink color we will show upper side. And then we can show the bows with this color. And this little I will use for making body. Okay. So can I check your face, like how it is looking? Yes. Show me your face. Great. Very good. Now choti, open hair, it's completely your choice. Today, let's learn choti. So all of you show face and this. I want to check it once. Great. And so we are working on this and by the side. And now you will take your sketch pen and your red color. You can take your red sketch pen and very carefully you will make just 2 features. See, will not make lots of features, just see. And want to show that is singing. And I want to show that is singing. I will make it just O. Just a small tiny O. Only this much. Okay, only this much. So just a face and this kind of O. If you feel that you want to add more detailing, you can. It's completely your choice. If you feel that no, I want to add eyebrows also, so it's your choice. Like eyebrows, tiny nose. So I simply add lines for making this, and features you will be keeping very simple. Okay. Orange and yellow I will add. Mix for making face. So face we are going to make little more like a white we mixed completely, and as our white color is over now, so yellow we will mix for making hands and body. So yellow will also give us a beautiful shade of color. Okay. Yes. So this is the way you will blend it. Yes. After this, what you will do? You will yes, done everyone? And if you feel that little makeup, है ना, so from makeup kit, little blush you can put. This you can do with color. So here I made clay ready for making body as well. Okay, chalo, shall we start now? Shall we start assembling? Yes. So one more thing we need to prepare, that is hands. So you will take two pieces of this kind and you will start making hands. So for making hands, like half of the bottle it should come. So this is my bottle. Half of the bottle I will take. So this ways I will make hands and I will make roll out of it. You can take the surface area and you can make a roll out of it. Okay, so let's complete everything and quickly we will assemble. Otherwise, the hands will get dry very quickly. And here, what you will do using this tool, you will simply make the lower portion little flat. You can even press it. So make a nice ball and then place it. Okay, a rectangle piece we will make. Okay, chalo, let's understand. You got it now. Let's make it one more time. And this time we will take two rounds of equal shapes, equal size, and then on surface, roll it and half of the length of bottle. You know, just keep this thing in mind. Half of the length of bottle and little bigger because it will go back side. You know? Yes. I will simply make roll out of it. You can roll it on surface in hand, like it will not come that neatly. So same size, same width. Okay, one is very thick, one is very thin, and it will not work. So this ways you will simply start doing. Yeah. Okay. So both hands, little more bigger. Okay, now how to make hands? You will simply press with thumb the lower portion. Anna, come on. You will press with thumb the lower portion and you can make hands. You can simply take this knife which you have available. Just go for one diagonal cut and fingers. 1, 2, 3. Can you see this? This ways. One diagonal cut and fingers. I will show you here. All of you see a small diagonal cut. If you want to make it, you can. Otherwise, this is something, this part can be skipped also. Just the texture of hands. And now we will have to be little quick, otherwise it will get dry. One more thing we will do, and that is again we will take our pink color, and with pink we will make, like, in gown we use purple and all. So we are going to make bow and everything with pink color now. So you can see slowly we are preparing with all the colors. So I will take half of the color, this. I will make a ball out of it. This we will use for body. And I will take little more. Many times it happens that the particular color we want in a big quantity. So you will make half of this you will take and you will make it this way and then press it and kind of dupatta kind of or on gown, you know, like yes, off shoulder gown kind of surface. So we will simply make it this kind of flat. Okay, from here it is quite. Chalo, so now quickly let's assemble. Otherwise, what will happen? It will get this all will start losing its beauty. So you can find any of the surface which you find neatly colored. And what you will do, the very first thing. Now let's get started with assembling. All of you, make this. You will take your skin color and very nicely you will put skin color here on the bottle's cap. Okay, very nicely. And if you want to take help of something else, you will put this and will make it little flat as if this is body. So what will happen? The cap, you know, that the rings of cap will help you holding it nicely. So make it this way. This is skin color I used. And what I will do now, I will take hands and from here, like see, it will go and it should come in middle. It should come in middle. So you will simply keep it here. You will simply keep it here. You can show them joint and on side and connect to the body. You will have to do it before it get dry. And your hands should come from backside. It should look as if they are coming from backside. And you can show them with fold hands if you want to show padharo sa and a welcoming posture. So see, on side you will be showing this ways. Okay, come on, do this. And this magic cleaner, you don't need to do pasting with Fevicol because it is having its own natural Fevicol. And if you're using any other clay, or if you feel that your clay is little dry, it's not getting stuck, then you can put Fevicol also. See this ways you will be doing. I think now it will be visible. And I connected it here. And quickly before it get dry, I will quickly put this upper side in diagonal position. This ways, and narrow from upper side. Yeah, this is the way I will put it, and the little portion of body is visible where this face will go. Nicely attached face. And if you feel that for attaching this face, you need to have some stick. So here I will take earbud or any stick. If you feel that you need to put inside to attach it, you can take a small piece of anything. If you have toothpick, so you can simply, otherwise if you're like my this nut is quite old clay, so it is not getting attached quickly. But if yours is quite fresh, then it will get attached quickly. And here you will simply nicely attach it. Okay, here it will go this ways. You can simply show it little 3D, so you can simply put it little upper side. With help of tool, you will be able to do it better ways. And here you can simply press it. That's why these all tools are provided. And normally when you want to make a doll, don't purchase from market. Now create your own doll, and just like Barbie doll, this will look great. Singing prayers, different hairstyles you can try. And quickly, like I'm doing it little quick because, and from back side, and you will simply connect like backside. Behind neck also you will put little of this, little of the jewelry or bun kind of thing. You can make flat and you can put it backside. It will help you connecting your head to body. It will help you connecting your head to body. And beneath that, from here, your choti will come, and it will simply go wavy this ways. It will go wavy this ways. If you feel that your here, like here, if you now in here, if you feel you want to add some texture, some lines, or if you feel that you want to add some lines, you can add some lines. Like here, I'm trying to add a kind of texture, little of the texture. Can you see? Little of texture I want to put. You can. And here, like girls, they are crazy of getting their dolls. So now try to think that what ways. Acha, if you want to make your clay with, if you want to make your doll with some beautiful, see this ways, it will look like this. Okay. And now we want to make the frock beautiful. You can make bows, you can make buttons. And yeah, one more thing, we were having this decorative stuff. Let's put it around. Put it around nicely, and before it get dry, you will have to do it before it get dry. Okay, chalo. And if you feel that your this is quite old and it's not having that much of sticky power, in that case you can use your, so here you can see I simply put it nicely. If you feel that little of Fevicol is needed, you can take help of little of Fevicol and you can do its pasting. Okay? Yeah. With little of Fevicol on both the side. I will try to do its pasting over. Okay? You will see it will look like this. And till the time it will be getting dry completely, I will hold it so that it can nicely get settled. Okay? And this is optional in on wet and fresh this quickly the work will be happening. And if your clay is little old or is has lots of grip, in that case you will have to be little more like effortsful. Okay. And after this, what you will do, you will simply extend lots of, I will extend this part little bigger and I will be making some buttons. I shall keep it this way and all the plastic will go in eco brick. Okay. So here you can see this is our doll. Now I will take this pink color and I will start making bows for making adding it in front. So for this you can simply make this and you can simply press. So you can either make bows or you can make flowers even. And flowers or tiny dots, this kind of dots also could be made. If you want to put a lace in front, you can even try a lace. So I think the simplest is going to be this. So first you can put it around uh, all over the this, or you can simply make this and you can put it all over just for decoration. So I will make many of this kind. And if you have any lace of this kind available, like this is a beautiful lace I have, so you could have tried this lace also in front. Okay. So yes, we can try this lace also. Let's try this lace. So this kind of laces, this kind of jewelry, everything could be used for making this doll. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking special. Okay. And it will look that special. And salwar suit and even the outfit, what kind of outfit you want your doll should wear. You can use painting with earbud. If you don't have earbud available, then in that case, you can even use your paint colors and you can put some dots. That is the simplest way. But if you want to add little more beautiful look, then in that case, you can make this kind of balls, make it flat and simply put it somewhere here and there just to show that this gown is having this kind of polka dots or this kind of beautiful flowers. Come on. So here. Now, if you feel that you want to use it all around lower side, you can keep pasting it. Okay. Round and beautiful. Keep pasting it. And if you feel that your clay, like this was a great problem, which many students message me, that our clay is little older than. So here I will show you if your clay is older and its glue is over. In that case, Fevicol is always helpful. So in that case, what you need to do, you need to make your shapes, whatever shape you want to put on. Okay. And here we can even add some patterns with colors. Okay. So I will make it flat enough so that I can get big, yeah. Okay. And on this, if you feel that you want to create kind of roses kind of pattern, or you want to put some stones over this, anything you could try for making it looking more beautiful. And here you can see with available colors, we are going to finish it. And now dolls. The purpose behind covering up dolls is you want different kind of dolls. So now with help of this clay art, and now you will understand how to make its gown, how to make its face, how to make different hairstyle. Once you know the basic structure of making it, how to attach hands, and what is the complete output. This also, this artwork will help you understand. See, so we simply connected this ways, and if you feel that you want to add some patterns inside with violet color or blue color, so you can definitely do that. I will simply use kind of, so that little flower look, it will look like some dots with dark pink color. And then I will make some, take some dots with earbud with Fevicol, and I will start doing its pasting. Okay. So with earbud, I will apply it, and we will start with our work. So here, this complete length we can use for making lace. Many time necklaces, jewelries. You can make a beautiful necklace also if you want. If you want to show a beautiful necklace around, you can show a necklace. I will simply show even the laces. Laces could be used, but everything try to reuse. Everything you are using, make sure it is going to be the reuse. These all things which I'm using, they are discarded one. Nothing fresh I'm using for creating this. And now some patterns all around. I think first we can start with the lower one. And we can make the gown with beautiful print. Okay. And if you feel that you want to make it all around, yes, you can make it all around. Okay. And face you keep very simple. If you want to make dulhan, suppose you want to make dulhan, in Aktij month, like, yes, just a minute, I will finish and then I will continue. So now I will return back to my story. So what happened after looking at that heap of garbage, these children decided what they need to do. When they returned back to their apartment, they decided they will create awareness about, and they started creating awareness about it. And they started making pamphlets. They started guiding them how to, and with help of mom, one workshop was given to all of them of making compost. And I also did one compost making session, so that you all can learn how to make your compost in with your peels and garbage available. And if you feel that you want to put some beautiful pattern with yellow or white color, then you can put some patterns around and can finish it. Okay. So I will take white color for this, and I will add some patterns around. These patterns could be tried for dupatta as well. The dupatta I will love to keep this ways, and some beautiful patterns. So if you're not able to make pattern, make dot. Or you can make some patterns also. as you wish. I will simply add this kind of circles. You can use earbud, you can use any other thing. And now no purchasing of doll from market. Okay, now you're going to create your own, and you can create a range of dolls. You know, children are very much crazy. Even boys can create their own characters. And I will try to teach Superman or some this kind of character also. And Power Rangers. So please don't try to create your things out of waste stuff and available things. And here, like we purchase clay from market, but if you feel that you want to make your handmade clay, so please visit our YouTube channel for making Lord Ganesha's image and how to make eco-friendly Ganesha. I taught clay also how to you can make handmade. So you can make your eco-friendly clay also without purchasing from market. So, because we need to think about, and the money we are spending on all these things, like we play for few little time and then it's of no use. So, try to create your own beautiful toys. So, all these children, both the children, they decided they will, after returning back, they will work on awareness. They made pamphlets. All the children, they started making pamphlets. Workshop was conducted, and the pictures of that huge mountain, it was shared with everyone. That what we have done. And many times you don't have visualization. You must have not seen those pictures. That how much huge mountain and what is happening there. And if you will, for once you will see that, I can guarantee you will stop, like you will start segregating the garbage. So on dark surface, you will make some polka dots for making your gown looking more beautiful. And if you're making dulhan, then dupatta, and this kind of things, necklaces and all you can put, and you can make dulhan. And in like month of March, Aktij, it is one Hindu festival. On this day, like the wedding of Gudda and Gudiya happen. So now try to see that you can do it yourself. You know? But rushing to market, purchasing things, let's go creative. You can do it. And yes, you can save environment also. And this is the final output. I will show just a minute. Things are not yet dried. This is this doll ready. Okay, I will have to keep it vertically because it's not dry yet. I will have to keep it vertically. But now I will request moms to be with us and share their feedback. Okay, and now if you want to purchase different kind of dolls and collect some pieces of cloth, some waste jewelry, some laces and a bottle and little of magic clay and create your own doll rather than purchasing from market. Okay, and if you were to keep make it heavy, what you will do, you will fill lots of waste material inside. Okay, so I will give you the front view of it. Just a minute. So let's quickly revise what we did. First, we completed the coloring. After that, we made face, which is absolutely round. Round features are quite simple. Then we simply put little of, and a little of. See, this is the way it has been done. I will keep it on the top. Okay, now I will request moms to unmute them so that we can talk. And hopefully, this idea of today's, I will try to keep it in the way so that little part of it could be visible. I will see what ways I can give you the little of the view of it. Yeah, I think this is the best way. Okay, so I will request moms to be with us so that we can talk with them. And now, any other, suppose you want to make a Punjabi kudi, Punjabi girl. So you will make two chotis with paranda, you will make dupatta, you will make salwar. And I suppose you want to make Rajasthani, then make mang tika, and I make lehenga. You can make lehenga either with cloth. Try to see that what you know what we when we used to be of your we were of your age, we were creating our own dolls. And I thought let's switch on to that method again because this is time to reuse all the things which are you can even for making choti you can take black cloth black wool you can make a choti you can attach a choti once you will start making now lots of ideas you will start getting and automatically when you will look at any broken jewelry or any broken things you will immediately get one idea okay this I can use for my doll and I will make the crown out of it and you will start using this kind of small things for making something creative on which you are spending enough amount. Okay, so now I will request my dear moms to be with us. My team member will unmute you one after another or will spotlight you and you will be able to we will be able to talk. So your feedback is very important and today's artwork is actually effort. Today's craft is effort so that you can make your dolls yourself. Class is over. Yeah, so my moms, please. Now my team member will um, spotlight you, and moms, please do share your feedback, and if any suggestion, please do share that too. Okay. So today, like I try to use the clay, which when for long when you keep now, so what happens? It get dry a little bit, and you will get the recording. If you think that in one effort it has not turned up well, you need to understand it again, and a recording is always with you. Okay, it would be happening like this kind of dolls you are making for the first time, but you will not get disheartened. Okay, you will keep trying. So yes, please, moms, share your feedback. When we learn something new now we find it challenging initially if we find it challenging initially it could not turn up as well as you
Mute yourself.
were thinking but don't give up keep trying and you will be able to make your all different kind of dolls yourself okay even gods you know what ancient time even for Gangor puja and Ganesh Mahotsav, Navratri, people were creating their statues and images themselves with clay and everything and to
Yes,
keep the
can you please unmute
environment
yourself?
safely. Yes, ma'am, please unmute yourself. Hello. I can see Hayat and Sanvi. Hayat's mom. Please, ma'am, unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Hayat. Try to unmute yourself so that we can talk.
Say hi. Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi.
Hello. Show your doll, Hayat.
Show your own.
I can see a crown overhead. Great efforts. Although one revision is needed and our hands are left, I think. Revise it one more time and one more revision only. Bus. And you will be able to create. You enjoy it, Hayat?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. So try one more doll and then you will never purchase doll from market. Okay. Now
Yeah.
you're going to create your
Yeah.
own dolls. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You will be able to create as many as you want then. है ना? And this will help environment also. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she was doing it joyfully.
Yeah, she's enjoying a lot. She's waiting for the class also. Yeah.
Okay, so today we specially covered up this because dolls are the first demand of girls in this age actually.
Yeah.
And we rush to market and keep purchasing every time
Mm.
they want a new doll.
Don't
So
do
we
it.
thought like why not to convert a bottle into doll so that they can create and learn also at the same time
Mm-hmm.
and start thinking at the things around them with creative perspective. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I will request Sanvi. Sanvi's mom, I can see with you.
Yeah,
Hello,
hi,
hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you for this wonderful initiative. last week also we did this Xmas tree, and she took that Xmas tree to her school and displayed her in her classroom.
Wow.
And she was asking me whether the class is there or not today. I told
Ach-
that, oh no,
Ma'am,
sorry, I
did you
forgot to
join our
check.
community?
Then she
Acha,
asked me
acha.
again, Mama, please, can you please check whether the class is there or not?
Ach-
And she rushed and she did this.
and very good work. The face is comparatively smaller, but everything is outstanding. Even the gown, like so many beautiful, colorful dots you pasted, even the hands, it's a lovely work. Now you are going to create many dolls of this kind. Now you will not purchase any doll from market, okay? And try to create Kashmiri doll, Japanese doll, Rajasthani dolls, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and try to reuse things. Your like clips, many times broken clips we have, jewelry we have, and I try to. You will start observing creativity in all the things which you find, which is waste. And this is actually the purpose of our classes. Okay, very well done. The
Thank
artwork
you,
is
ma'am.
this craft is beautiful. You really assembled it well. Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Enjoyed it, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yes. Now I will request. Yes, Pranshi. Please unmute yourself. Those who are spotlight, please unmute. Amanpreet, please and call your mom if she is there. She's not with you? Acha, how was the class? You liked it? Unmute yourself. Okay. Enjoy it? Okay. I think you are not able to unmute yourself. It's okay. I will request other moms also to Preeti. Preeti Narkhede. Yes, Preeti, is your mom with you? No. Neha ma'am, I will request you if we can see moms also, try to spotlight them. Preeti, you enjoyed the class, my dear? Yes? Show me your doll. Wow, good efforts. Very good efforts. Yes, I can see students are Yug. Yug is also there creating a
Yes,
doll.
ma'am. Ma'am, we joined late, so we couldn't make it.
Acha, ma'am, you will, recording is always there to support.
Okay. And
So,
plus, we didn't get the raw material. We didn't have a bottle.
acha, okay. So you can, in that case, like, okay, bottle is the first thing we will need. But yes, if you have any roll, like aluminum foil roll or any other thing of
Okay.
this kind, that could also
Okay.
be used.
Ma'am, is this air clay or normal clay?
This is magic clay. Like in market, when you will ask for magic clay, you will find a
Oh,
complete packet of almost 12 colors for
okay.
40 or 45 rupees, along
All
with
right.
tools. है ना? So
Okay.
this is very good quality clay. You can
Magic
ease
clay. All right.
magic clay with name of magic clay. And a very ordinary packing it is. No,
All right.
but it is really wonderful with lovely colors. You can mix,
Oh,
you can mold in any shape. Like very soon, I'm going to cover up Lippan art also for moms also, portable rangolis or this kind of thing. So for
all
that
right.
also, we are going to use magic clay only.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, I will request
Thank you, ma'am.
Advait. Advait, yes, I can see Advait is also with us. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. Advait. Advait Surya Gowde. No? Okay, I think we are facing some technical issue. Advait, you enjoyed while making? Huh? Please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. I think some technical problem we are having. Okay, I can see.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, ma'am. Please do share your experience.
Yes, ma'am. Ashita is very happy and she's learning very nice things, ma'am. I really liked it.
Wow,
The
very
doll which
beautiful.
she made, it's
So
very.
And
Yeah.
so nicely
First,
she decorated the jewelry and the color of her gown. Wow.
yes, ma'am. It's very lovely. She always maintain these things like whenever she gets Rakhi and extra things. No, see, she always. I don't know if you can see or not.
Yeah, I can see it's so
She
beautiful.
she keep these things because she loves to do, and it's very nicely she made.
Very beautiful. It's
Very
beautiful work. Please do share, ma'am, in her hands. We'll love to share it on different platforms. Very well
sure,
worked
ma'am.
and very
And
neat and beautiful work.
and she every Sunday, like normally she wait for her your classes, but every Sunday she especially wait for this craft classes.
Acha, okay. Even we try to come up with some ideas which could help them reusing things and can like they can think about little more sensitively about environment. You know, because
Yeah,
purchasing and lots of money we spend and soon we want a new one. So why not? They should learn how to create it, and it will definitely enhance their creativity as well.
true, ma'am. And everything we are getting from home, so it's like very nice that we don't have to go every time outside and get things
Yeah.
to
Okay.
do crafting and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you. You did excellent work, Ashwita. Ashrita, beautiful doll. Yes, I can. I will request Advait now to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are
Happy noon,
you?
ma'am. Hi, we are doing good, ma'am. How are you? Thank you.
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
The classes are really going well, and he's enjoying a lot, actually. And today,
Okay.
actually, we were not aware of Sunday's classes, ma'am. Today, we actually came to know. So this is the first class, but regularly is attending all the classes,
Acha.
and
Okay.
it's all going on well. It's doing really good,
Okay.
and
Okay.
it's was
Very
really good
soon, I
also.
will cover up something of for boys also, like Power Rangers, or है ना, so
Mm.
that they can also start making their toys themselves using waste material. Like today, we
Oh, nice.
used a bottle and waste
Yeah.
jewelry. Okay, but if you want to try Advait, you will find a recording. Okay, recording you will find on YouTube. You can try making it. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Ma'am, today I
You,
didn't do because no materials. But you will send the video.
yeah, beta, you will find on YouTube because this is a free session, na? So all our free sessions they appear on YouTube automatically. Yeah, okay. So please
These are
do try
really
it,
good.
Advait.
We
Then
are
I'm
listening
happy
to
to
it.
know that you are enjoying our regular sessions.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will request Chehek now, and I can see so creative experiments like a lovely ghagra with yellow stripes and a purse, hand purse also. What not? Jewelry and
Yes,
everything. Check. Oh my God. Level of
we-
creativity. Enjoy it? Enjoyed
yes,
making
ma'am.
it? Huh?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
up.
We don't have clams. Go and bring it now. Yes, ma'am. She wanted.
Now no dolls from
Yes,
market.
we
Create your own
require.
dolls using waste material. Okay. Okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
ma'am.
It's a
Yeah, we
lovely
enjoy
work
a
and
lot, ma'am.
so creative experiments I can see. It's Rajasthani look with
Yes, ma'am.
lovely.
She will make it for us, and we put the
Yeah,
ice
that's what
sticks
I'm.
and
That's what I'm able to see. Like so wonderful use of available material. Very good. Very nice. I will request
thank you, ma'am.
Mishita
Thank you.
also. Mishita, we can request others. Yes, Aradhya Dora. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Yes, Aradhya Dora. Unmute yourself, my dear. I think some technical issue you are facing. Okay, not able to. Show your doll. Enjoyed the session. Show me thumbs up if you like the session. Very good. Good efforts. But one revision is needed, and I think your clay you need to make more smooth. And your clay is looking rough. So very nicely kneel it and then make it. But yet efforts are very good. and you simply made a lovely gown with Japanese fold. You make the covered up the whole bottle, and that you used, and you made bangles also with pink colors. Wow, idea is very creative, but the clay is not smooth. You know? On this you need to work, but excellent work, my dear. Very good.
Thank
Shabash.
you, ma'am.
Okay. And yes, I can see like kids are enjoying making their dolls a lot. And this I really want. That yes, I can see a lovely doll in handoff. Yes, unmute yourself, my dear. Unmute
Hello,
yourself. Brown gown and pink dupatta. Avishka, unmute yourself.
hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, hello, ma'am. How are you? This is a lovely doll, and the combination of dress is so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
How was the class, Avishka?
Ma'am, I enjoyed it a lot doing the painting work, and she loves a lot painting.
मम्मी आ गई अब आ रही हूँ ना
Very nice. It's so, and when the doll she assembled very well. So now, Avishka, nothing from market. Okay. Now you're going to create your own dolls and even everything for dolls. Okay.
And हमने
This
वजन
will save
ना
environment also, my dear. Okay. Yeah. I will request Srijita Dubey. Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
I
I
am
can hear
fine,
you.
ma'am.
How are
How
you,
are
ma'am?
you? I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Your class is, ma'am, so lovely, so nice. We
Acha.
like, we like
Srijita, you
it.
enjoyed? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
I
you will not
can't.
purchase dolls from market? Sure.
Yes, ma'am. I will not purchase dolls from the market.
Ma'am,
Show
one
yours.
request for you, ma'am. When
Huh?
you do your art and craft class, just send the material list, ma'am.
Material list is already mentioned. Even the eco brick, how to make. We attach the video
Okay.
of that also. Are you part
Okay,
of our
ma'am.
community?
No, ma'am. I don't see that
That's why
message.
you must not have. Otherwise, how to make eco
Yes,
brick?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You
we were
need to.
not having the raw material
Raw
available.
material available.
Acha,
But
to
next
see.
class we bolo ma'am ko.
You can do one thing. You can join to our
Yeah.
community, and where you will click on one link which you find on our WhatsApp. You will become the
Okay,
part
ma'am.
of community. There you will find every update about our Sunday's activity, material list, time, and everything. Even how to
Okay,
make
okay,
eco
ma'am.
brick. The
Thank
video of
you.
that also is attached there.
Okay, ma'am. We will try.
है ना?
Thank you for
ठीक है. Okay. Thank you
your
so much,
class is
ma'am.
so nice,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank
So
ma'am.
this is all about, and hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's session.
Yes, ma'am.
Materialist, Varsha, I think materialist, you are not in community. Please get attached to our community. And for this,
Yes,
you must
ma'am.
have
Yes,
got a
ma'am.
link in the group where you are.
Want to
The
be
moment you will
attached
click
to
on
the
that
work.
link, you will become the part of community, and the whole detail and the video, if any video is needed for sharing the material about
Ma'am, on
material.
the WhatsApp, we will be the part of community.
On WhatsApp, you will find a link. When you will click on that link, you will get connected to our community.
Okay, ma'am. I will
Or
try to
otherwise,
do.
you can talk to my team 701
Okay, ma'am.
761 741 0911. This is the number of my team. Okay, so they will provide you with all guidance. So those who are like have facing problem about material, and I think they are not connected to our community. There I shared even the video how to make this bottle. है ना? तो okay, and Madhav, I will definitely now take care. This is not a paid session. These are free sessions. Okay, Sanvi? Advika, I'm just reminding, answering the questions in chat box I can see. Okay? Yes, please, and try to unmute. It is Tamanna. Try to unmute Tamanna. I can see Adya. Beautiful efforts, Adya. I can see. Okay. Hello? ठीक है, we'll wind up then. हाँ. Okay, so thank you so much, moms, for your time. And material list, see, let me make it clear. The WhatsApp group where you are, you will find a link. The moment you will click on that link, you will become the part of community. And there we share material list, and many times if any video is needed for preparing previous preparation, we share that also enough in advance. है ना? So please check there on regular interval. Every Sunday we are trying to keep one activity which is out of waste material. And like Lippan art, we are going to try. It is going to be portable rangoli. है ना? So this kind of artworks we try to cover up. So Tamanna, please, Neha ma'am, try to unmute Tamanna. She want to talk. She's messaging.
Tamanna, can you please unmute yourself?
हाँ,
I have
Tamanna, try
requested
to
you to
unmute
unmute.
yourself. Tamanna. हाँ, yes, Tamanna. हाँ, try to unmute yourself, beta.
एक बार लिस्ट चेक कर लिया करो, है ना? जो भी सामान है उसको रेडी रख।
Yeah.
मैम बोले कौन सा कम्युनिटी है, वो व्हाट्सएप पे उसका लिंक रहेगा उसे।
ठीक है, देख लो।
शायद हम लोग कम्युनिटी में है मम्मी, एक दो तो आ ही जाता है, एक दो नहीं आता है।
I think she's not able to. So chalo, it's okay, Tamanna. You can definitely message us on WhatsApp. I think some technical issue we are facing. That's why you are not able to unmute yourself. Okay? Show me your doll. Show me your work. How you did. Yes, yes, I can hear you now.
और अब तो सही है।
हाँ, Tamanna. Yes, I can hear you now.
मैम
हाँ, yes.
ट्यूटोर है वो पोर्टल में बनानी थी।
क्या?
ट्यूटोर है वो पोर्टल में बनानी थी।
हाँ, बॉटल पे बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो हम कोई रोल ले सकते हैं ना, कुछ भी चीज बेस में ले सकते हैं। अगर आपके पास कुछ और चीज है उसको भी ले सकते हो। ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है बॉटल हो, पर कुछ वेस्ट मटेरियल अगर होगा ना, कई बार आपके पास फॉइल रैप का रोल होता है, उसको भी आप काट के ले सकते हो।
देखो अभी अनम्यूट कीजिए मैडम, सारा बात सुनाई दे रहा है।
हमको किन में से बनाना आता है।
चलो तो ओके ओके तमन्ना,
ओके मैम।
चलो तो with this we will wind up. Thank you so much all moms, all kids. You really did excellent work. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.
Yes, ma'am.